afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for March 24th, 2017. It's about an hour and 19 minutes before the close. Got this out early because we're just sitting here right now waiting for the whole House vote. So we have these little twerks up today. Rumors that the House vote is going to pass. Down today when people thought the House vote wasn't going to pass. And by the end right now, we have the futures up a little, up 650. Now, the futures are really rallying because of the Russell. Just like I warned, the Russell outperforming the NASDAQ. That's totally normal in here. Now, the old idea is by now, the ES up 7, NASDAQ up 2, Russell up 15 balloons in here. You have the bonds down 9, industrials up 58, transports down moderately, down all of 1 point in here. So where do we go with all this? Well, the idea in here, you have gold down, dollar doing nothing, high yield bonds doing nothing. With all this, you're waiting on the sidelines until we get a decisive number tonight of whether it passes or not. As you see, even the UVXY is still up, even though the ESs are up. A lot of uncertainty in here. Advanced decline has been pretty strong. That's exciting to see in here. My only idea is I don't want to jump on anything until later. Now, on the good front, you have the German DAX up 1%. The German DAX has actually been acting pretty well. So right now, all bets are off of what's going to happen later in the day. I can tell you this. A lot of us have been looking at the ESs on the left and the Russell on the left. The Russell, and I even posted this on StockTwits, the Russell is where it was on December 1st. Finally hitting some support. We've been buying some Russell stocks the last 2 days, betting on that support holding. The idea, though, is the NASDAQ on the right is way above where it was December 1st. Tremendously above. That's a big old divergence. Well, all of a sudden, you've seen a little of that come to pass today. A lot, no. But a little, where you see the Russell up 15, the NASDAQ, which is 4 times the index, only up 4. So we'll see what happens. Tonight is a pretty big deal, but I think you still have to stay with your good old chart patterns. And basically, you have to find what looks good on a chart over the ATR trailing stops. Those are the ones to lean toward. The ones that look lousy, I think you should go definitely, and those are the ones to lean short. So to let you know, we still have the 7-day, 30-day trial. It includes the chat room I'm on from 9 to 10 every morning. Premium videos much more in depth than this also include unusual option activity. I used to show it in the email alerts, but I decided to go and put it in the actual video so I can explain it a little more. I usually have at least 6 stock trades and chart ideas, at least 6 index and futures charts. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you can take us up on our $7 trial. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night.